The American bread aisle is a marvel of chemistry and logistics, designed to produce loaves that stay soft for weeks and never show a speck of mold. To the average consumer, bread is a simple, ancient harmony of flour, water, salt, and yeast. However, the modern supermarket loaf has been fundamentally redesigned to fit an industrial timeline. Through a process known as the Chorleywood bread process, traditional long-term fermentation, which breaks down gluten and anti-nutrients, has been replaced by high-speed mixing and a cocktail of chemical dough conditioners. These additives, ranging from soy lecithin to azotocarbonamide, are used to force dough to rise in minutes rather than hours. The result is a product that looks like bread and toasts like bread, but is biologically closer to a flexible, starch-based foam. Quick favor before we move on. If you appreciate this content, consider giving this video a like and subscribing to the channel. Believe it or not, more than 92% of viewers haven't subscribed yet. It's free and only takes a second, but it means the world to us. So did you subscribe already? Great. Thank you so much for your support. Now back to the video. This ranking uncovers 8 iconic US brands that have abandoned the art of the baker for the precision of the laboratory. 1. Wonder Bread Classic White. Why number 1? Wonder Bread is the ultimate symbol of processed America, having pioneered the ultra-soft, crustless texture that defined the 20th century lunchbox. While it is fortified with vitamins to replace the nutrients lost during heavy processing, it contains almost none of the structural integrity of real bread. The pillowy softness is achieved through a heavy reliance on dough conditioners like datum, diacetyl tartaric acid esters of mono, and diglycerides, and sodium stearolactylate. These chemicals allow the bread to hold an unnatural amount of air and moisture, preventing it from ever getting the chew associated with fermented flour. Furthermore, the use of high-fructose corn syrup as a primary fermentable sugar creates a glycemic profile more similar to a cake than a staple grain. It ranks first because it is a total structural illusion, a highly engineered delivery system for refined starch that lacks the microbial complexity of a traditionally baked loaf. 2. Nature's Own Butter Bread. Why number 2? Nature's Own is the best-selling bread brand in the United States, largely because it successfully markets itself as a healthier choice with its no artificial preservatives, colors, or flavors pledge. However, the term real bread implies a fermentation process that Nature's Own bypasses through industrial speed. The butter bread variety is particularly deceptive. While it invokes the imagery of a farmhouse kitchen, its texture is achieved through a mix of soy flour, cultured wheat flour, and various gums. Despite the nature in the name, this is a factory product designed for a long shelf life. The bread is so soft that it often lacks the ability to support its own weight when wet, a sign that the gluten network was chemically forced rather than naturally developed. It sits at number 2 because it uses the clean label movement to mask the fact that it is still a highly processed, mass-produced commodity that lacks the soul of a true sourdough or yeast-leavened loaf. 3. Sunbeam Enriched Bread. Why number 3? Sunbeam, with its iconic Little Miss Sunbeam mascot, represents the enriched deception. Because the industrial milling process strips the wheat germ and bran away to prevent spoilage, the resulting white flour is nutritionally dead. To call it food, the company must enrich the flour with synthetic vitamins and minerals. Sunbeam is a fast bread that relies on calcium propionate to prevent mold for weeks on end, something real bread can only do for a few days. The ingredient list is a parade of stabilizers and emulsifiers designed to ensure that every slice is identical in its blandness. It ranks 3rd because it is a ghost food. It provides calories in bulk but lacks the natural enzymes and fiber of the whole grain. It is a manufactured sponge that relies on synthetic fortification to bridge the nutritional gap left by its aggressive industrial processing. 4. Sara Lee Artesano. Why number 4? The Artesano line is a masterclass in modern food styling. The thick slices and flour-dusted crust are designed to mimic a loaf from an artisan bakery, yet the ingredient list reveals a strictly industrial DNA. Real artisan bread relies on 3 or 4 ingredients. Sara Lee's version contains nearly 30. This includes monocalcium phosphate and aspartic acid, which are used to manipulate the dough's behavior in giant industrial ovens. The thick cut is a psychological trick to make the consumer feel they are eating something hearty, but the crumb is still incredibly airy and lacks the dense, varied whole structure of a slow-fermented loaf. It sits at number 4 because it sells the aesthetic of real bread while delivering the same chemical stabilizers and refined sugars found in the cheapest white loaves on the market. It is an industrial product wearing a baker's apron. 5. Pepperidge Farm Farmhouse Hearty White. Why number 5? Pepperidge Farm has long positioned itself as the premium choice in the bread aisle, using its history as a small Connecticut bakery to justify a higher price point. While their bread is often denser than Wonder Bread, it still utilizes a vast array of industrial additives to maintain its consistency. The farmhouse branding suggests a slow, traditional process, but the inclusion of soy lecithin and various vegetable oils tells a different story. These fats are used to soften the crumb and extend shelf life, replacing the natural fats that would have come from the wheat germ in a less refined flour. It ranks 5th because it represents the premium deception, using slightly better packaging and a heavier slice to hide the fact that the bread is still a product of high-speed industrial manufacturing that prioritizes uniform texture over the complex flavors of true fermentation. 6. Bimbo Soft White. Why number 6? As the product of the largest baking company in the world, Bimbo bread is the quintessential global commodity. It is engineered for maximum transportability and a nearly infinite shelf life. To achieve this, Bimbo utilizes a significant amount of preservatives and processing aids that do not always have to be listed on the label in their entirety. This soft white variety is almost devoid of flavor, relying on salt and sugar to provide a palatable profile. Real bread has a crust that is the result of the Maillard reaction between sugars and proteins. Bimbo's crust is often just a slightly darker version of the soft interior, indicating it was baked at a temperature and speed that avoids the development of a real, protective exterior. It ranks 6th because it is the fast food of the bread world, a standardized unit of starch that is more about logistics than nutrition or culinary tradition. 7. Arnold/Brownberry/Ora Wheat Whole Grains. Why number 7? These 3 regional brands, all owned by the same parent company, are the heavyweights of the healthy whole grain category. While they do contain whole wheat flour, they are often loaded with vital wheat gluten, an isolated protein used to give industrial whole wheat bread the same airy lift as white bread. In a real whole grain loaf, the bran and germ make the dough heavy and difficult to rise, requiring a long fermentation to soften. These brands bypass this by adding extra gluten and sugar, often in the form of molasses or honey, to force the dough to be soft and sweet. It sits at number 7 because it is health wash. It provides the appearance of a rustic, seedy loaf, but uses chemical conditioners to ensure it still feels like soft white bread. It is an industrial compromise that tricks the consumer into thinking they are eating a traditional, fiber-rich staple. 8. Ballpark Burger Buns. Why number 8? While technically a bun, these are consumed as a primary bread source by millions of Americans every day. Ballpark buns are the most unbread-like of all because they are designed to be almost indestructible. They can be squashed, steamed, and frozen without losing their shape, thanks to a high concentration of monoglycerides and ethoxylated mono and diglycerides. These chemicals act as crumb softeners that bond with the starch to prevent it from recrystallizing and going stale. The result is a product that feels like foam and has a slightly sweet, chemical aftertaste. It ranks last because it is the furthest removed from the biological reality of bread. It is a specialized industrial vessel designed to hold a burger, held together by a chemical architecture that makes it almost unrecognizable to the human digestive system as a traditional grain product.